Welcome to the CyberWire's Word Notes podcast, brought to you by Strata Identity, securing the multi-cloud world with identity orchestration.
The word is policy orchestration. Spelled policy, as in a set of rules adopted across an organization, and orchestration, as in an automated series of processes to configure, coordinate, and manage computer systems, data, or software. Definition: the deployment of rules to the security stack across all data islands, cloud, SaaS applications, data centers, and mobile devices, designed to manifest an organization's cybersecurity first principle strategies of zero trust, intrusion kill chain prevention, resilience, and risk forecasting. Example sentence: if we can make policy orchestration work at the application, at the platform, at the data, and the network level, then its applicability is going to be exponentially more valuable to everyone. Origin and context. In the early internet days, say the late 1990s, orchestration wasn't a problem. We only had 3 tools in the security stack: firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and antivirus systems. When we wanted to make a policy change, we manually logged into each tool and made the change. Fast forward to the 2020s, and our environments have morphed into enormously complex system of systems deployed across multiple data islands. Orchestrating the security stack for our first principle strategies across all those data islands in some consistent manner with velocity is really hard to do compared to the early days. Truth be told, most of us don't do it that well. The goal of policy orchestration is to have one place to configure security policies for our first principle strategies so that we can deploy prevention and detection controls automatically to every tool in the security stack residing on every data island, efficiently and quickly. We want the deployment of these detection and prevention controls to be finished in minutes to hours after setting the policy, not days to weeks to, in many situations today, never. There are many potential tactics that InfoSec programs might use to accomplish this. They might incorporate policy orchestration into their DevSecOps process. They might install a commercial orchestration platform. They might use their own SOAR tool or security orchestration, automation, and response. Or they may decide to outsource the task to a SASE vendor, Secure Access Service Edge, or an SSE vendor, SASE minus the SD-WAN. Regardless of the approach, policy orchestration is a key and essential task that all InfoSec programs must master. Nerd reference. In a webinar in 2018, David Monahan from EMAResearch explains the benefit of security policy orchestration and automation, or SPOA, in one specific use case: configuring the same policy on 2 different vendor firewalls.
One of the true advantages of looking at security policy automation is the ability to standardize firewall policies across multiple vendors and being able to deploy those policies and manage them, right? So you don't have to worry about using multiple GUIs to deploy one on a particular vendor and then a different GUI on another vendor. You can use a single management capability to deploy them across multiple vendors and still standardize those. So that's also a big advantage of security policy orchestration and automation in being able to help manage those firewalls when you have a heterogeneous environment.
Word Notes is written by Tim Nodar, executive produced by Peter Kilpie, and edited by John Petrick and me, Rick Howard. The mix, sound design, and original music have all been crafted by the ridiculously talented Elliot Peltzman. Thanks for listening.
Get uninterrupted, ad-free access to WordNotes and all of our public podcasts, as well as our exclusive CyberWire Pro podcasts and briefings by becoming a CyberWire Pro subscriber today. Subscribe to CyberWire Pro today for $99 a year and get access to all the exclusive content we have planned. Learn more at thecyberwire.com/pro.